Hey, what's going on? Benji Kaiser here, CES 2020 inside the Razer booth, looking at the new Razer Blade Studio Edition coming at you right now. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Benji Kaiser. This is where you're going to find the best tech and tools for creative professionals. So if that sounds like your kind of place, consider subscribing and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Right now, we're looking at the Studio Edition of the Razer Blade 15. A model that is highly tuned for creative professionals, specifically video editors and motion designers. We're gonna bring on Kevin from Razer right now to tell us some things that really set apart this computer from the standard Razer Blade 15.
Well, Razer's known for gaming laptops, but we're getting into a new segment with the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition. And creatives and gamers alike push the boundaries of what's capable in a laptop, right? Like true gaming performance and graphical video editing is all important to have the latest specs, right? So for the Razer Blade 15 Studio Edition, we have the RTX Quadro 5000 card, which allows you to do high-end rendering, graphics editing, and having DCI-P3, 100% DCI-P3 color on a 4K OLED display is just a step up.
Yeah, for sure. You were saying how if you're going to be doing just standard video editing, that RTX 2080 would be a great GPU, but if you're going to be rendering like 3D, then go with the Quadro 5000.
Yeah, and NVIDIA has special studio drivers for creative professionals to give them an edge as well, and make all the synchronization between the software and the hardware work really well.
Okay.
So, and as well, you have a laptop that is in a small form factor because creatives move around a lot, right? You're on the road, you're taking photos, you're doing editing, you're not always in a studio. So to have a thin and light laptop that does all this work performance in graphics is amazing.
Tell me a little bit about the cooling system. So how are we keeping all that cool so you don't overheat and end up losing some of the performance through some heating?
I think that's the best part.
Yeah.
We use a vapor chamber cooling technology, which is a deionized water vapor inside of a chamber that literally pulls the heat away from the hot spots of the laptop and then turns the water into vapor, and then the vapor goes back into water, and it's just this system that we engineered that's super trick.
Okay. That, I would never have known that. That's a great step up, and having great performance is amazing, but being able to cool it is a whole nother thing.
That's how you make a thin and light laptop that has this much performance.
You guys are killing it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Ben.
I appreciate it, Kevin.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So some other things to add in is that you have some great spacing on each side of the keyboard to make space for 4 speakers. So there's dual speakers on either side to give you great audio. So whether you're editing, listening to music, whatever it might be, you're gonna get great audio for your experience. The trackpad, they've also engineered very well. I'm super impressed with this trackpad. It has great touch sensitivity, gestures, a good click, really well done trackpad. Now it is a full aluminum body, top cover, keyboard deck, side panels, and bottom cover, all aluminum, and it's gonna have more of a professional look. So the standard Razer blades are gonna have kind of that glowing Razer symbol on the back. With this, it's gonna be more professional, so if you're in a business meeting, you're not gonna stand out so much with that flashy Razer blade symbol. You're gonna have a webcam on top that actually has facial recognition, so when you open up your screen, it's gonna recognize your face, and then it's gonna open up just for you, and it's actually very secure. They're saying that you can have 2 twins, and it won't open up for your twin, which is pretty cool. Whoever owns the computer, your twin can't get into it. Another thing to look at is the hinge. It's very, very strong, very well put together. So overall, a really great laptop that I'm very impressed with, great build quality and amazing specs. This model specifically comes with 32 gigs of RAM, the i7-9750H 6-core processor, the Quadro RTX 5000, and a 15-inch OLED 4K DCI P3 100% display. So really killing it from Razer this year. Loving this model. If you're curious about the exact specs or pricing further of this model, you can head down into the description below, click that link. If you do use it, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. But that's always what keeps this helpful content coming your way. I'm Benji Kaiser, and I'll see you here on the next video, CES 2020.